Hello guys, welcome to my channel Science Voice, and I'm your Sanjay. Today going to show you the various components in PowerPoint starting screen. So we want to start from the left side. These are the recent presentations you used or made for any purpose. You have a PowerPoint empty presentation also. You can rename your presentations from these, or you can pin. Suppose I'm pinning this, I'm pinning this, pinning this, pinning this, pinning this, pinning this. So everything can be pinned and unpinned too. Suppose I'm unpinning this. These are pinned. Okay. So next, let's see how to open other presentations. Suppose your screen is displaying only some, but you have made more. Don't panic. See, you just click on these more presentations and you'll get many. See, I made many presentations. Okay. Now, next. See, these are the templates. Can anybody answer what is a template? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 6, tick tick 7, tick tick 8, tick tick 9, tick tick 10. Oh, nobody answered and everybody failed. Okay, no problem. Don't worry, I'll teach you. Now, when you open a PowerPoint presentation, by default, your slide may be blank. When a person says, "Oh, this slide is so boring. I just don't want this horrible design." So, you don't need to panic. One, you can go to the design tab in the presentation. I'll just show you. Suppose your slide is this and you're typing something. Suppose, let's see, Sam's voice is 1 year old. And when you see it like this, suppose, when you see it like this, 1 minute, like this, it is very boring. See, there's all white and it's not too effective to see. Now, you have many options to change this design. Now, just go to the design tab of this PowerPoint and I said no, these many designs are available. See, 1 minute. Yeah, look at this amazing designs. See, you have various colors also. Like this, there are many options in PowerPoint to make your presentation more effective. Next, let's see the info. Info is a set of options to protect your presentations, inspect your presentation and versions. In the properties in the info tab are size, slides, hidden slides, title, tags, categories, and also related dates, last modified, created, last printed, related people, author, that is my mom, Purnima. Then, yeah. Oh my god, I forgot to say this. Oh my god, what a mistake did I made. Okay, so as I said, you have two options or three options to go into the templates column. First, when you open your PowerPoint, you have many templates as I showed you. Then, when you enter into the PowerPoint slide, you have various tabs in the ribbon. Then, you can click the design tab on that and you can choose various designs, colors, background, style, font, everything related to the slides design. Now, oh, did you notice one thing? See, there are related fonts for different slides. See, here it is different, here it is different, and also we can say everywhere when you open the slide it's different. Then, now let's see. Now, okay, now we can see many presentations over here. This is the one which is very unique. Now, I want many themes. I don't want only these. It's very boring. I have uploaded a video, made a presentation, everything I did with these, everything. So I won't make a presentation or upload a video with this anymore. So if you want many presentations, charts, diagrams, business and education themes, infographics, everything, don't panic. Just click on this themes. See, thousands of themes will arrive at your eyes. Till now, PowerPoint has published. Yeah. So this one we can click. See, 50 themes are there. How amazing, right? Next. Then again click new, and then if you want presentations, see, these are the presentations made by other people. And as I said, if you want a slide only with this presentations design, don't panic. Suppose if you see a presentation in this presentations column, and if you don't have a slide according to it in the designs column or this template column, don't panic. Suppose, let's see. Suppose I want this produce design. Just I'll click create. It will download your template. Okay. Downloading your template and it will make a whole presentation for you. You don't need to like panic. See, once go through the presentation. Yeah, some people will say, 1 minute, I'll just suppose. See, I am now making a video. Just imagine I'm now making a video and I'm just once writing throughout the slides. This is not good, so I'll just delete it. This is also not good. This is also not good. And this is also not good. So this is my better design for now. Okay. So you will have many smart art options like this. Now you can delete the text and you can type new text in the text boxes everywhere. Now, so this is the way how do you get new designs. Now I'll just show you many. Now let's keep open. See, I have shown you in the PowerPoint starting screen that in the left side there are recent presentations you made. That is under the recent option. But open option also gives you the recent presentations or used presentation you made or used. Suppose today I made this presentation, the India flag one, and today I've used this presentation to show you. I have not used any presentations. Do you have a doubt that, oh, the Sanjay did not use any presentation? How did it come up? Yeah, your doubt is correct. I pinned it. If suppose a person made an important presentation and that got mixed with other presentation and the person could not find it, just pin it. If you pin it, there is no problem. Pinned presentation will be in a different section and unpinned presentations will be in a different section. Now, pinned items will be like this. I have said, this line which is between pinned and unpinned. Or if there are two options to identify the pinned and unpinned presentations. See, if the pin symbol is straight, that means it is pinned. If the pin symbol is vertical, that means it is not pinned. Next, let's go to, oh, sorry. If you want other place in where you want to save your presentation, just click add a place. Or if you want to save in this OneDrive or cloud, you can save it. Oh, okay. Now save, if you click it, the presentation will be saved. Save as. Suppose you have made a presentation, okay? Then if you want to save it as a video or PDF, okay? Now some person don't know the option how to save it. Don't worry. Now if you want to save it in the folder called downloads. Now here are various options where you could save many presentations, everything. So PDF, XPS document, MPEG-4 video, Windows Media video, and PNG, JPEG images, GIF images, outline images, everything there are there. So let's go to the next. Now I want to print. I want to make the presentation come on to life. How? Just think like I'm joking. You keep it as it is. Now I want to make this presentation come into life. A person asks me, how do you make a computer gadgetal presentation come into life? Is it possible? Oh, yes, it is possible. You can just print it on a paper. Finished. Okay, next. Oh, sorry, I forgot this. See, there are various sizes. See, there are copies. You can insert how many copies you want. And here are many options while printing also. Share. There are various options in share. Suppose you want to share. There are four options. You can invite people and share it. You can send an email. You can present it online. You can publish the slides. Or you can save it to cloud. Now let's read the steps how to invite people. Step 1. Save your document on a OneDrive location. Step 2. Share your document. We'll do this after you finish saving. It's written like that. So you can do these two steps to share. Export. Oh yes, I got it. Yeah, I've said you in the save as option. The same options have come here also. See, can you see the various options over here? One is PDF or XPS document. You can create a video, export, and package presentation for a CD you can do with export. Create handouts you can do with export, and change file type you can do with export. This I'll show you in the next video. Now, if you want to close your presentation and this cross mark is not working sometimes, it may do like that for sometimes, not every time. Just immediately go to the file option, click close. The presentation will be closed. Now we can go and see the other options. Oh, in info, I will explain these options in detail now. Protect presentation is if your presentation is affected by a virus, like it's not opening or it's not working properly, you can protect your presentation by reading the details given. Control what types of changes people can make to this presentation. Yeah, this means that you made a presentation and others are controlling it. That means your presentation is affected by a virus. So you must protect it. Yeah. And also you can control what presentations they can do in your presentation, or can they edit your presentation. That's in your control. You're not supposed to like panic if anybody edited your presentation. You can just follow the steps. Inspect means before publishing this file, be aware that it contains document properties, document server properties, content type information and author's name, custom XML data, content that people with disabilities are unable to read, a setting that automatically removes properties and personal information when the file is saved. Oh wow! Can you see the PowerPoint helps blind or any physically challenged or differently abled or disabled people? See, people with disabled options can read this or not read this sometimes. Versions. There are no previous versions of this file means you have not published any previous versions with this file. So it has not come. Next, new we have learned, open we have learned, save we have learned, save as we have learned, and print we have learned. Print, there are many options. If you want to print it in A4, you can print it. And if you want to print it in A3, you can print it. If you want to print it in A5 or etc., you can print it. But before that, you make a slide and you click print. And there are various options. You can select the printer settings. That means if you want to print all slides, you can click all slides. Print current slide, you can click the slide. Where are you willing to print? Custom range, enter specific slides to print. That means if you have made a presentation and if you want to insert that, insert only important slides, not this any other slides with images. You want to only insert slides with only texts. Suppose if you want to insert a slide that contains the history of the Karnool fort or any other fort, you can insert that to print. Don't think these are real, this is just for an example. Then If you want to print full page slides or notes page or outline or 3 slides or 2 slides or 1 slide or 4 slides horizontal or you see here I don't have any slides, so it is only showing 1 slide wisely. Then you can print 9 slides horizontal, 9 slides vertical, and 6 slides vertical, 4 slides vertical. See how nicely options are there. So share we learned, export we learned, also close we learned. So that's all for the video, guys. Oh, forgot. Let's learn this interesting thing. This is also a part of PowerPoint start screen. So these are contextual tabs. Suppose let's keep it like I'll insert a new slide. Just give it as blank. Just delete the slide. Suppose I insert a picture. Let's keep it as like that. Suppose I insert a picture called YouTube. YouTube. So here you could see various images which are related to the search of YouTube. Okay. Then you can choose any of the thing you want and insert that. Suppose I have chosen this thing and I want to insert this thing. Yeah. So the YouTube picture came, but you want to edit it like robots. No, it's not possible. Click on this image. See, here you can see the contextual tabs. So if you want to format this image, now I want this border, I want this border, I want this border, anything. Suppose I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this, anything. And if you want to see the unique option in this PowerPoint is we don't want this white background. Only YouTube should be there. Yeah, look. Now see the magic. Yeah, just click. Finished. You can see the difference in the image, right? See, before it was full white and now it is half white. So that's another. And picture border, if you want to keep it, just keep it green. And 1 minute, I'm just applying the border for this. And yeah, we got the green border. Then if you want to give effect to your picture, just give an effect to your picture. Next, suppose if you type some text and you have inserted a background in your slide. Once let me show that also. Suppose I want a background. Backward of YouTube, I want this background. I'm just inserting one more YouTube background image. Suppose I selected this and I don't want this. Yeah, we have got the YouTube background. And if this is disturbing our presentation and the image we inserted, do one thing. Just click double time send backward. See, the picture had gone backward and you can see the YouTube picture in front of that. So that's also magic. So that's all for today, guys. So today we have learned many things, and in the next video you can learn many things. So subscribe to Sans Voice, and there are many computer techniques uploaded in my YouTube channel. So you can see how to convert a PowerPoint slide into an image, and I'll show you that extra again. Now suppose I'm just moving this up. I want this image again. Let's keep it like copy and just paste it over here. See, the whole slide gets copied over here. Then okay, then another technique is how to convert this presentation into video. Just go to file, as I said, save as, select the folder where you want to save it. I want to save it in Sans Voice Films, and click on this MPG4 video, then click save. So that's all for today. So again I'm saying, please subscribe to our channel. We are expecting the comments from you. Your lovely comments are our inspirations. Thank you. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.